Dialogue of two children. Peter. Hello, my name is Peter. Maria. Hello, my name is Maria. How are you? Peter. Good, and you? Maria. Fine too. Peter. What day is today? Maria. Today is Friday. Maria. What is your favorite day of the week? Peter. My favorite day is Sunday. Maria. What is month? What is it? What is this month? Peter. This month is Jan. Peter. What is your favorite month? Maria. My favorite month is October. Peter. Mine too. Maria. I am a student. And you? Peter. I am a student like you. Peter. Is he a teacher? Maria. Yes, he is a teacher. Peter. Okay. Peter. I am from Colombia. And you? Maria. I am from Chile. Maria. How old are you? Peter. I am 40 years old. Peter. How old are you? Maria. I am 50 years old. Peter. Are you a good friend? Maria. Yes, I am. And you? Peter. Yes, I am. Maria. How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? Peter. Yes, I am Peter. Peter. How do you spell your name? Maria. Yes, I am Maria. Maria. Peter. Good. Peter. Nice to meet you. Maria. Nice to meet you. Thank you.